Whenever I record these jets, sometimes I'll get UFOs on video buzzing by them. Now, I can't see the screen too well because of the sun, so if I get anything, I might not see it until I watch the video later. There was something. I think I saw something right there. I definitely saw something right there. Oh, there goes something else. I got a few things there. I got a few things. Anything else up there? You know, what time's it? Any more jets? Oh, you already finished? You already finished? Okay. Is it a jet? Is it a bird? It's a bird, okay. Okay, I think I just got something on video. I'll check it in the house. I'm pretty sure I got at least 2 UFOs in that video just now.